In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install DuckDuckGo web browser. By the end, you'll have the DuckDuckGo browser installed on your device and ready to use, with your basic preferences set so you can start browsing right away. First, open your current browser. Click the browser icon you already use, such as Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. You'll see the homepage or your last open tabs. Next, go to https://duckduckgo.com/app. Click into the address bar at the top, type the URL exactly as shown, and press Enter. The DuckDuckGo app page will load. Click Download for your device, whether you're on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. On desktop, you'll see a download button tailored for your operating system. On mobile, tapping Download may take you to your device's app store. Well, go ahead and click or tap the download option that matches what you're using. Now wait for the installer to download. Watch the download indicator in your browser or the status bar. Don't close the page until the download finishes. If you see a progress ring or bar, let it complete before moving on. Open the downloaded file. On desktop, click the file from your browser's Downloads area, or open it from your Downloads folder. This will launch the DuckDuckGo installer. If your screen recording shows a brief pause here, that's normal while the installer opens. Click Install or Next if prompted. Follow the on-screen prompts you see. If the installer asks you to confirm the location or agree to terms, keep the defaults and continue by clicking Next. This step might appear slightly different on Windows and Mac, but the buttons will clearly guide you through. On mobile, you'll see Install or Get in the App Store. Tap that to begin installation. Wait for installation to complete. You'll see a progress bar while files are copied and the app is set up. This may take a minute. Keep the window in view and avoid closing it early. On mobile, the App Store will show a loading indicator until it's done. Click Finish. On desktop, the installer will display a Finish button when everything is complete. Click it to close the installer. If you don't see a Finish button on your device, that's fine. Some platforms complete this step automatically and return you to the previous screens. Open the DuckDuckGo browser. On desktop, click the new DuckDuckGo icon from your Start menu or Applications folder. On mobile, I'll tap Open from the App Store or find the DuckDuckGo icon on your home screen and tap it. The browser will launch to a Welcome or Setup screen. Set your preferences and start browsing. Work through the brief setup prompts you see. You can choose privacy options, pick your default search behavior, and confirm any settings offered on first launch. If you're asked whether to make DuckDuckGo your default browser, choose what works best for you. Once that's done, type a website or search in the address bar and press Enter to begin browsing with DuckDuckGo. Your download, installation, and initial setup of the DuckDuckGo web browser are complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.